Hello besties, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gigi and today we have an inspiration that we are working from. What you see me doing now is mixing some glitter in with some clear gel because I was on Instagram and I saw Nikkie Tutorials nails and I knew I wasn't going to be able to exactly recreate them, but here comes my version. I am totally inspired by what she had done. And so we're going to go ahead and give it a shot. And I think that in the end, you're going to really love what I came up with. Now we've got in the middle some big chunky, well, some small chunky purple glitters. The other two are some fine glitters. We've got a bright pink and it looks light blue until you really put it with the gel, and then it gets a little darker, but honestly once it's in the nail it really is kind of a very light pretty blue. My color story is not exactly the same as Nikkie's because of course I don't know what they used. I just saw the set and I was totally inspired. So here we go. We're going in with some of that pink glitter, and I did link the picture for you at the beginning of the video so you can see where I was coming from with my inspiration. Now we're going to come in with a little blue in between that little space that I left in the pink. We're going to come down on the tip with that. Guys, I am also eating my dinner as I do this voiceover, so I will try really hard to chew quietly. Excuse me, I'm eating pot roast and I'm just going to tell you, it is amazing. It is just amazing. Okay, now we're going to come in with a little bit of that purple chunky. And it's not the hugest of chunky glitters, but it's a nice, you know, nice big round pieces. I've got bigger dot glitters, but I just really wanted to have just the small purple ones in there. And we're going to put some little mylar shards in there as well. But that'll come in a little bit. That'll be in a little bit. So we did not have a midweek mini this week because I had the stamping gels come in and I just wanted to play with those. So instead of having a mini, we had a really long video and I hope you guys enjoyed that. I had so much fun stamping, and trust me, we are going to do a ton of stamping. Like so much stuff. So get ready because I'm excited to do some stamping. And I have got to get some more of those colors because they were fun to play with, definitely. And I'm going to want all the colors, And this one's a little more like slanty to the side with the shaping of or the direction of the colors. Each one has its own flavor. I really enjoy doing that. I like each nail to be its own, even if you are doing something matchy. Okay, on these last two, I'm actually going to do them together at the same time. I don't cure in between, and I'm just flash curing. I'm not doing a full cure. We will get to that, of course, when we do our encapsulation. Everything will get fully cured. And of course the base on here is some Yayogi Cover Pink. It's Yayogi Cover Pink, the little thin shelves of gel. Oh, I hope you didn't hear me chewing. That was so good. I'm so sorry. I'm starved. But I want to get this video up for you guys, so I'm trying to kill two birds with one stone. Right? Wow, did you hear that? I think that was a motorcycle. And now we're going to come in with some more blue. Now, this blue is starting to get down to the end bit there, so I picked some of it up with this little tool and put it on there, and then used the brush to put it where I wanted it to go. And just grabbed up a nice big chunky bit more. I love glitter. It's so much fun to work with, and it's so pretty. I just think once you get the nail encapsulated, it's just so effective. It just really gives you such a pretty look. And I'm just squeezing some of that out so I can just smooth things over a little on the tips there. And then we're going to get that purple glitter in there as well. Swirl that around. Okay, now we're just coming in and putting just a super thin layer, just really painting it on like, you know, like base coat or something. I'm not trying to add a lot of thickness. I just want somewhere for the Mylar pieces to stick to. And the Mylar pieces that I used up for this, I've got this thing. I don't know what to call it. It's stars on these long strips of Mylar, and I just cut one of the stars off and then cut it into little pieces and made sure it was really nice and clean. So I put it in some alcohol, and it made these really cool shards of Mylar, and so I just encapsulated those. So, you know, if you don't have exactly what you want, you don't know what you might have laying around the house that you can substitute for what you think you need to go get at the nail store. Maybe you don't need to. Because trust me, your girl is cheap. Okay. Guys, I'm sorry I'm a little too close to you on this. This is the editing problem I get with this program once in a while. I'm just encapsulating this nail, and I'm so sorry that it's a little bit out of frame there. You're not going to miss much because I only show you this one nail. There you go. Oh, yay. It corrected itself. And I only show you this one nail, the encapsulation, because it is super repetitive. I hold it upside down a little. I did the filing off camera. And here we go. It's time for top coat. Oh my goodness, you guys. This set is fire. I'm just going to go ahead and say it for myself. I think it's gorgeous. I'm so happy with it. I like the almond shape. It's a little long almond. I could have gone a little sharper on the tip and made it almonetto, but I just really like the almond shape for this. I wanted to really be inspired as much as possible by Nikkie's. And I am doing this top coat in real time. I didn't speed this up at all, so you can just really enjoy the glitter. Of course, there are going to be some shots at the end, so stick around and take a look at those. Let me know what you think about the set. Would you wear it? Is this going to be your next set? Do you think that this is in your comfort zone, or is it so pretty that you'll bust out of your comfort zone to try it? You got to let me know what you think, guys. I really want to hear it. Oh my goodness. Oh, that glitter. Ah! It's just giving me so many feels right now. I love the variegation of the color. I love how the blue is light, but where it touches the pink, it sort of goes into almost a purpley color. And then you have the purple chunky glitter and the Mylar strips. Oh. Now, one thing that they did do that I didn't do is they outlined the Mylar, but hers were more shardy. And so I just decided not to do that. And here it is, guys, out of the lamp, all dry and ready to be seen by the world. Oh, I love this set. Oh my goodness. I think I see this in my future. Or at least something similar. But you know your girl wears glitter all the time. So definitely leave me a comment, do all the buttons, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.